Lesson 4, the Kingdom of Kush. Essential question: why do civilizations rise and fall? Guiding questions: how did Nubia and Egypt influence each other? Number 2, why did the Kingdom of Kush prosper? Some terms to know: savanna, a flat grassland, sometimes with scattered trees in a tropical or subtropical region. Textile, woven cloth. When did it happen? 5000 BC. Settlement begins in the Nile River Valley. 2600 BC. Old Kingdom begins. 2055 BC. Middle Kingdom begins. 1070 BC. The New Kingdom ends. And in 750 BC, Kush conquers Egypt, which is where we are in history. What do you know? Read each statement, and you're going to drag the orange circle over whether you think it's true or false. So for number 1, all civilizations that lived by the Nile River were the same. Circle true or false. Number 2, the Egyptians were the only civilizations to build pyramids. True or false? Number 3, the Kingdom of Kush became famous for making iron. True or false? Number 4, the first people to settle in Nubia were farmers. True or false? Number 5, Egypt ruled Nubia for 700 years. Circle true or false. And number 6, the capitals of Kush were near the Nile River. True or false? Drag the circle.